Children with autism are like waves. Beautiful, restless, hard to predict. Not because they're lost, but because they are trying to make sense of what they feel. And when the world doesn't understand, it calls them names. But all they have ever needed is to be understood and held with a little more love.
A little sun and shine. A little sun and shine.
When did you get to know about autism diagnosis?
And Pavan was scrappy 3 years because his speech had not come and he was a very hyper child. He used to run around, work himself, in the process. We used to be worried that what is happening with my child? He's not able to focus. Also, eye contact was as good as I can say 20% or so. We are the proud parents of Joanne and Bryden Rodrigues, who are on the autism spectrum. And that time we didn't even know the A of autism.
When you ask them, hi, how are you, what is your name, they may not reply immediately. They may take time to process and reply.
Well, actually, Joanne's milestones were pretty good. Like when she was born until say 1.5 years, and only after then we found certain red flags, that she was not responding her name what she used to do earlier, and we found certain regressive traits. Like when we were wondering what has happened suddenly to a child who was perfectly everything was okay since her birth.
How do people react to the condition of your child?
Yeah, family members were like taken aback, especially my extended family. When I take my child out in a public garden or even in the society garden for that matter, there are kids labeling them as, "Arey, he's a bit special." I don't really worry about her marriage or whatever, not in the conventional sense. But I do worry about her safety. Because she's a girl and she's a special needs person. And also the way she understands the world, it's very black and white. She has no gray areas. So I do worry about her safety. Literally. I also worry about her loneliness. I would get comments like, what did you do during both your pregnancies that, God gave you such kids?
"10 years of rejection, we finally found Sam and his Stepwise Foundation.
My name is Shyam Thapa. I'm 24 years old. I'm the founder of Stepwise Foundation. First thing is my passion. My passion is fitness and sports. So I train neurotypical and neurodivergent. So both people. वर्कआउट में भी मैं हमेशा टारगेट रखता हूँ. सब टारगेट उसमें नंबर्स होते हैं. आई थिंक ये बच्चों में ये चीज स्ट्रांग है कि पैटर्न. ओके, पैटर्न एक बार बैठ गया बच्चों में पैटर्न, तो पैटर्न वो ब्रेक हुआ तो डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा. वही पैटर्न मैं ऐसे फिक्स कर रहा हूँ जो कि वो प्रॉपर वे हो, प्रॉपर टेक्निक हो. वो पैटर्न मैंने एक बार फिक्स कर दिया तो बच्चे वही चीज फॉलो करेंगे.
तो हम लोग को ये बच्चों के लिए कुछ करना चाहिए, क्योंकि इनको कोई भी प्लेस में सोसाइटी में किधर भी जिम्स में अलाउड नहीं करते, इवन इन द गार्डन्स जल्दी अलाउड नहीं करते।
कि जो हम लोग उनके होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट पे वर्क करते और वो जैसे कि भी वो फंक्शनल हो सके, जितना हो सके इंडिपेंडेंट, लाइक हम प्रॉपर फिटनेस बेस्ड और स्पोर्ट्स बेस्ड का हमारा पूरा अप्रोच है उनके लिए।
Sam Thapa has been Varun's trainer for quite some time now. Being a distance runner, a physical trainer or a strength trainer plays a very important role. And when it comes to Varun being a neurodiverse adult, training becomes still more difficult. From the time Sam has come into Varun's life, Varun seems to have a friend, a mentor, who just not trains him but knows just the right way to speak with Varun and understand Varun and help him grow in the best possible way.
पेरेंट्स तो बोलते हैं हमने पास में कभी सोचा भी नहीं था बच्चा ये चीज़ करेगा, नहीं हमारे फैमिली में कोई करता था ये चीज़।
गिर गिर के उठेंगे, जिद ना छोड़ेंगे, चाहे जो भी हो हिम्मत ना छोड़ेंगे।
Sam and his team are so young. They could have chosen to do anything in life. Yet they chose this. Something challenging, something meaningful. And in doing so, they're changing the lives of autism families every single day. At the end of the day, they're just children who want to play, belong, and experience the world like any other child. To be seen without labels.
गिर गिर के उठेंगे, हिम्मत ना छोड़ेंगे।
Is Kashish a quiet child?
या मोस्टली तो चुप ही रहती है, लेकिन अगर आपने एक नाम बोल दिया ना तो देन वो सब कुछ छोड़ के ना वहां भाग जाती है।
Whose name?
कशिश, शाहरुख खान, शाहरुख खान, शाहरुख खान।
ला 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 ला।
He is here calm. Yeah.
Place like Stepwise that has given them so much confidence that today Naina does not fear going out and participating in group activity with neurotypical children. That kind of confidence when Sam and Stepwise gives, it is just beyond amazing.